everybody, welcome to the channel. Haven't heard from you for a while. Oh my gosh, we've been having horrible weather. It's actually quite cold. It's not too much above freezing, but it is above freezing. I just received a package today holding Voigtlander Bessa 1. I looked it over. We have the Vascar 105 millimeter 4.5 lens, Pronto shutter. I threw a roll of Delta 100 in because I want to test it before I service it to see if the focus is accurate and if there's any light leaks and stuff like that. Shutter seems to be working pretty good. Lens seems to be kind of clean, not bad shape. Right, 6x9. I don't have the mask for it. The masks are very hard to come by, and I'm definitely not paying a whole bunch of money that some people are asking for the mask to turn it into the smaller frame. Pretty sure you have 4x6. That ain't happening. If you've seen the prices of these things, there's no way I'm gonna, I don't need to do a 4x6. So anyways, there will be some, like a few other cameras that you've seen real quick, like I'm doing right now. There'll be some overviews and longer tutorials and videos, but right now, cold, rain, windy is crazy. I got my 8 shots, Delta 100. Let's see what we got. Let's see if this camera's leaking, if it's, if everything's working right. Let's have a look. Like, subscribe, click the bell. I'll see you guys probably in a few more days or so. It's the weather's just been bad. See you later.
Rock my world, rock my world, rock my world. Yeah, now it's a hell. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine. Drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the wall.